Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super practical trick in Power BI, how to use bookmarks and buttons to switch between visuals, showing or hiding them with a single click. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create an interactive report that lets your audience control exactly what they see, making your dashboards cleaner and way more impressive. Alright, let's get started. On my report page, I've already set up two visuals, a bar chart and a pie chart. But let's say you want viewers to choose which one they see, toggling between the two with buttons. This is where bookmarks and buttons come to the rescue. First, we need to bring in our two control buttons. Go ahead and insert two buttons onto your report canvas. Don't worry about their size or position just yet, you can fine-tune that at any time. Now, let's name these buttons for clarity. This is just like sticking clear labels on file folders so you never get mixed up. In the button formatting pane, label one as Show and the other as Hide. I also like to use different colors or icons for each, but it's up to you, just make sure it's clear for anyone using your report. Now we'll need both the bookmark pane and the selection pane open. If you don't see these, just head to the View menu at the top and tick them on. The selection pane is like a backstage list of every object on your page, letting you control what's visible or hidden. The bookmark pane is how we record specific layout states. Think of it like saving a frozen moment in time for your report. Next up, let's create the bookmarks. In the bookmark pane, add a new bookmark and call it Show. This will capture the setup for when we want the pie chart shown. Then add a second bookmark called Hide. Each bookmark needs to remember which visuals are displayed or hidden, so we'll set that up now. Switch over to the selection pane. Find the pie chart and click the little eye icon next to it to hide it. If you've ever used layers in Photoshop, this will feel familiar. With the pie chart hidden, return to the bookmark pane. Make sure you have the Hide bookmark selected. This is important. Before you update the bookmark, right-click it, choose Update, and here the trick. Make sure the data option is unchecked in the bookmark options. That way, your bookmarks only capture visibility, not the data slices. Now let's set up the opposite state. Make the pie chart visible again, then hide the bar chart in the selection pane. Click on the Show bookmark, uncheck the data box, and update it. What we're doing is telling Power BI, when I click Show, show the pie chart and hide the bar chart. When I click Hide, do the reverse. Time to wire up the buttons so they activate the bookmarks. Select your Show button, head to the Action settings, turn on Action, choose Bookmark, and link it to the Show bookmark. Do the same for the Hide button, linking it to the Hide bookmark. Now let's give it a test. Hold down the Control key and click your buttons in Power BI's Edit mode. You should see the visuals switch, hiding or showing just as you set up. If it doesn't work perfectly the first time, don't worry, check your bookmarks, selection visibility, and double-check that data is unchecked. And that's it. You've just made your Power BI report interactive with Show and Hide buttons. If you found this useful, hit that like button, let me know your questions down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.